Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our seventh video as part of our series of video of the playlist Tally's order management module. In this video, we will see how different departments are going to get integrated with the order management cycle. So we will introduce an additional entity, that is the inventory vouchers being handled by the stores department. Let us go to Tally and explore this additional feature of the inventory getting integrated and how Tally is handling it. Let us take a use case scenario of an organization with different departments handling their function. The purchase department raises the purchase order based on the requirement from the stores through material requisition or indent. Now, as the vendor delivers the material, the stores receives them. They now need to create a document evidencing receipt of the materials. Hence, the stores raises a receipt note, or we call it as GRN, which is goods receipt note, for the items and quantities received as per the purchase order. Now this document has to link the tracking reference. The accounts department will have to account for the purchase. The basis of accounting will be the purchase order authorizing the purchase and the receipt note or GRN to evidence the receipt of the materials. When accounting for the purchase, the receipt note must be linked to the purchase voucher to complete the order cycle. This is known as three-way match. The image shows the process and steps of the three-way match. You can pause the video and read the steps. Briefly, the three-way match is a critical verification step in the procurement process used to ensure that a company only pays what it actually ordered and received. It involves comparing three key documents just now I had discussed about. The first document is the purchase order, which verifies the original agreement on quantity and price. Then goods receipt note or receipt note confirms the quantity of item that were physically delivered and accepted. The third one is the purchase invoice, checks the supplier is billing for the correct quantity and the agreed upon price. If all these three documents align, the invoice is approved for payment. If there is a discrepancy, such as being billed for more item than were received, the process is flagged for investigation to prevent overpayment or fraud, or there is other process which will handle, which we will discuss in our next video. Note again, I have explained this with respect to the purchase cycle. The same will be applicable to the sales cycle also, where the voucher types will be, instead of purchase order, it is going to be sale order. Instead of receipt note, it is going to be delivery note. And of course, instead of purchase invoice, it is going to be the company's sales invoice. If you recall, we had ensured that the inventory vouchers of receipt note and delivery note were disabled. We need to enable them now, as the inventory voucher will be linked to the order voucher. Now, how do we enable them? There are two ways to enable these voucher types. Let us explore both. First, we will explore enabling the receipt note through voucher type method. So using voucher type method, all you have to do is from Gateway of Tally, click on Alter, select voucher type, and under the list of voucher, select receipt note. Now, if you recall, we had set this as no. Since we need to now activate this voucher type, all you need to do is just come here and double click. It will get turned to yes. Just press Ctrl A. So this is one way of enabling any voucher type. The other way is you come down directly to the voucher, and here on the right hand side button bar, you have this F10 other vouchers. Click here. The delivery note is not getting listed here. Again, all you have to do is just come here and click on show inactive. And here you will see under inventory vouchers, we had enabled just now receipt note. So it is shown here and this is grayed out. So all you have to do is just come here and double click. It will ask you whether you want to activate. Just press enter and you will notice that the delivery note has got activated. Now let us walk through this sequence of raising purchase order, linking the purchase order with the receipt note, and linking the receipt note tracking number with the purchase invoice. Let me make a purchase order entry. I have raised the purchase order on IT Traders Private Limited. The order number is PO006 and these are the item along with the tax. So which means in this voucher we are capturing the accounting information also. So all you have to do is just press Ctrl A. So the order has been raised. Now the material is being received by the company in the stores department. So the stores person is going to now make a voucher entry, which is the receipt note. So all you have to do is just click on other vouchers here and you will see the receipt note. Just select receipt note. The receipt note is selected here. So the material is received on 1st of May. Reference number is not required. Party is IT. Let us select the order number 6. Enter and accept the screen. And you will notice that all the information from the purchase order, including the accounting information, is got auto populated here. Let us assume that all the ordered material has been received by the stores department. Now this entry is going to impact only the inventory books of accounts. The accounting or the financial books of account is not yet impacted. That will get impacted when you are now passing a purchase entry. Important aspect you have to understand here is that we have tracked the purchase order number in the receipt note. Now the receipt note number needs to be provided a tracking number to be knocked off with the purchase invoice. So how do we do that? When you see here the Acer thing, by default the tracking number, it is picking up the order number. You can keep the same order number or you can take the voucher number of your receipt note which we are seeing here. So let us select the voucher number of receipt note and automatically the order that we have selected is getting pre-selected here. Accept this. Come to the second item. Again select receipt note number as your tracking number. Order number is pre-selected. Come to the third item. Again select the receipt note number, save it, Ctrl A, and now let us save the receipt note. Now the accounts person is accounting for the purchase invoice. He is going to account this on 1st of May. Change this voucher type to purchase. Voucher number 587. Party is IT Traders. And now you will see that there are two aspects. Now since the order is already been tracked with the receipt note tracking number just now we had specified is getting listed here. So select this tracking number of the receipt note, enter, and you just press Ctrl A and accept. You don't have to select the order. Order is already linked to the receipt note. So we will see this now. Again, you will see that this whole information has been auto-populated from your receipt note or the purchase order into your purchase invoice. Enter here. So the tracking number is here and you will also see that the order number is already pre-selected here. So this is that tracking which is very critical. Control A. And all this would automatically have selected the same one since we have already selected in the subscreen. You don't have to go to each and every item. I just went to show you the tracking number, how it gets selected from the subscreen and also the auto selection of the order number. So all you have to do now is just press Ctrl A. This is how you manage your order cycle with the inventory voucher. Like I mentioned, the same thing is applicable for the sales order or the sales order cycle also. In the next video, we will add one more use case scenario and see how are we going to enhance further the order management cycle. I hope this video would have given you an idea of how you can now integrate the stores department into the order management cycle. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.